Hello, today we're going to be playing Foot Escape. Yeah, there's somebody in my server with 5,000 wins almost. If you look at the top of the leaderboard above me. Like, jeez. I wonder if they got all them wins recently or they've been playing for a long time. Probably a long time. Like a long time. I was the first one in. Rundown sector. Yeah. Also, copy all the tricks in these videos, but you'll have to have a gravity gun, so some of them may not work. Even if you have a gravity gun, some of them are really hard to do. So yeah, we're playing with a professional on Foot Escape right here. Yeah, that's it really. We got 7 people escaping. Like, and that's my 888th win. Like, seriously, where did they go? Are they already in somehow? Probably are as well. I'd say they were quite good, you know. Like how good they actually are at the game wise. They're quite good. Just like make sure that third map is either rundown sector or something easy. Like not one of the hard ones. Well, I was technically the first one to hit that, and I'm in first. Where they are? Yeah, there they are. Oh, yo, they changed their theme colour. I need to do that. Yeah, I'm changing my theme colour. So they have. Wait, what do they have? Cyan, I believe, was it? Cyan, yeah. Pretty cool, actually. Nice. This way's easier. Nice, I'll just get this button. Help the team out a bit. Look, now the water's now red. Oh, I can't believe. Oh my god, seriously. 5,000 wins. There is actually some people that get 5,000 wins every, like, month. Them people, Spamming Aloud, Lussix, Ufers, whoever else, Andy Jumperson. Yeah, them people, like, they're always top of the leaderboard, like, them people who just play it, like, 24/7. I'm never getting on the leaderboard. I might this month, though. Or probably not. Like, I've got, like, 100 wins this month. That's it. But people are getting thousands. So somebody at the top of the leaderboard will be, like, 10,000 or something. Already this month in about 4 days. 3 days, or whatever day of October it is. I don't know. Somewhere around Halloween. Anyway, this is the code. There we go, that's the code done. And there we go, yeah, we're done. Might as well get another escape. Escape twice in 3 minutes. That's good, always good to know. Rundown sector, make sure rundown sector's the last one. Because decisive stands, sorry, not decisive stands, I forgot what it's called. Damage structures is just way too hard. Okay, okay, there we go. Bro, just go. Just go, bro, just go. I don't like that map, it's too hard. So the water for them, no, the water stays the colour that yours is, but the theme colour. Okay, that's interesting, with theme colour. They just fell. They just fell. No way. Just witness somebody with that many wins fall. Our leader is gone. I'll take second in command. No, I missed it. There we go, I'm first in. The professional. Big Oscar. Oh yeah, I also changed my name a little bit. So here we go. There we go. My lag, bro. There's only 4 people left, but every time we're having Rundown Sector, my favourite map. It's literally my favourite map because it's so easy. There's 2 ways to do it, and that's another one dead probably. Minecraft Zombie Game has probably made it. Oh, who knows? Yeah, he's made it. Huh, good job, Minecraft Zombie Gamer. Shout out to you. We're dead, aren't we? We're dead. Can 2 people do these 2 codes in about 2 minutes? Probably less. Probably more. I don't know. Probably a lot less. Or like 50 seconds or like. You do that one. Oh, that one's already done. Come on. Yes! Yay! I made it! Yo, did you see that? Clutch. Come on, Dash, work. Yes, I made it. 890 wins. The only one. And we got Toxic MM2 Boy right now in the game as well. He's got 19 wins. This guy's trash. Okay, I guess we're not doing Rundown Sector this time because I didn't pick it in time. So here we go. So yeah, so basically comment down MM2 Boy to fail. Yeah. I'm gonna fail more like because I'm gonna be out. Yo, I'm messing up. Yo, I just took the wrong way. This is close. No, I'm not dying. You die. Go on. Die. No, I'm gonna die. No, I survived. Let's go. Yeah, sure, hard mode is better. Yeah, it is actually. That is true. Hard mode is better. It's more challenging. We still are professional in the game. I'm dead too. I'm dead too, bro. I'm dead. I'm dead. No. If I mess this up, I'm dead. Yes, I survived. I like this map. It's kind of the same ones every time. Minecraft Cool Gamer, nice, you're still alive. Person with 5,000 wins is still alive. Yo. Wait, where the heck did they go? There's no way. Nah, they're over there, helping out with the others. Yeah, good player that. Helping the teammates who aren't as good. Spectating them again. I'm just messing into this guy. Annoying people, you get them in the server section. So, yeah, I'm just going to escape. Probably end this video. Whenever you get a good player, you always get a toxic player. But that's going to be the end of this video. See ya.